Okay, so what can you do if one of your content creators is shadow banned?
Just create another account. Create another account. So actually, I know some of the guys that sell products that are not, compliant with like TikTok or kind of like on the edge with like policies. And what they do is just like they create a lot of accounts. Some accounts getting banned, some accounts are not. But it's kind of like the volume game. Guys, who knows like Andrew Tate, right? Okay, no one raises their hands, right? But everyone knows. So what he did, like he had so many of these accounts, right? Like on TikTok, on Instagram, that like you can't like it's like, oh, what if they ban one? What if they shadow ban? It doesn't matter. It's like next one, next one, next one, next one. So literally doesn't matter. So I would just have that mindset of you just want to take it over. Like you just want to boom, 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 and that's how I would approach it.